Good morning, students. Our lesson number 5 expansion formulae is going on. In practice set 5.1, we saw the expansion of x plus a and x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus into bracket a plus b into x plus ab. In 5.2, we saw a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square. Now today we are going to see the next expansion, the expansion of a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. See, these two formulas are similar here. A plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. See comparison of these two formulas. Here same terms are same, but if here sign is minus, then give here alternate sign to the all terms. See, here is plus minus plus minus, and if here is a plus a plus b bracket cube, then give all plus sign to the all terms. Now let's see the examples based on this formula. The first example is x minus 2 bracket cube. Here in this equation, first find out the value of a and value of b. The value of a is x and value of b is 2, because we use the formula x minus b. So don't take value of b is minus 2. The value of b is 2. Here by using formula a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now put here values. X minus 2 bracket cube is equal to a cube means x cube minus 3 into a square means x square into b means 2 plus 3 into a means x into b square means 2 square minus b cube means 2 cube. Now simplify this. Here x cube minus 3 to the 6x square plus 3 into x into square of 2 is a 4 minus cube of 2 is 8. So x cube minus 6x square plus 4 3 is 12x minus 8. This is the answer of x minus 2 bracket cube. See the second example, that is 4p minus 5q bracket cube. First find out here value of a and b. The value of a in this bracket is a 4p and the value of b in this bracket is a 5q. Now by using formula, the formula is a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Put here values of a and b. Here value of a is a 4p and value of b is a 5q. So here first is a cube means 4p bracket cube minus 3 into a square means 4p bracket square into b means 5 cube plus 3 into a means 4p into b means 5 cube bracket square minus b cube means 5 cube bracket cube. Now simplify this. 4 cube of 4. 4 for the 16 and 16 for the 64p cube minus 5 3s are 15 cube into this square of 4p is a 16p square plus 3 for the 12p into square of 5q is 25q square minus cube of 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125q cube. Now 64p cube minus 15 into 16. 15 into 16, that is 240 this p square cube plus 12 into 25, that is 300 p q square minus 125 q cube. This is the answer of 4p minus 5q bracket cube. Let's solve the more examples. Two minus n cube. Okay, let's see your answer. Here value of A is a 2 and value of B is n. Now by using formula A minus B bracket cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. So here 2 minus n bracket cube is equal to A cube means 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square into n plus 3 into 2 into n square minus n cube. Cube of 2 is 8 minus 3 into 4 into n plus 3 to the 6 n square minus n cube. So 8 minus 12n plus 6n square minus n cube. This is the answer of 2 minus n bracket cube. Let's see more example on next video.